Hi, we're Team 26075, the Adaptive Mouse and Keyboard, a multidisciplinary senior design team in the Kate Gleason College of Engineering. We're working with Mavis Irwin to design an assistive device to allow computer scrolling and keyboard shortcuts without any required use of fingers. The key goals of this project are to ensure our device can be tailored to the specific capabilities of anyone who wishes to use it, can be manufactured at home, and is open sourced and available to anyone at cost. Our stakeholders are interested in a cost-effective, modular solution that allows people of all abilities to use their computer for a range of functions without having to pay the premium often associated with access technology. We are designing a fingers-free input device that can replace basic functions like clicking, scrolling, and keyboard macros. It needs to stay under $150, be ergonomic, and be open source so it is easy to build and improve. On top of that, we want it to be programmable, modular for customization, and compatible with multiple operating systems. Our solution is modeled similar to the Microsoft Adaptive Controller, maintaining a small profile with only the core necessary functions, but allowing for additional functionality to be added as desired through the use of ports. Our design is made up of three major subsystems: a joystick, integrated buttons, and standalone buttons. Here is us testing the functionality of the device prior to our Phase 7 review. Through failed prototypes, design shifts, and personnel changes, we were able to maintain a reasonable timeline, and we expect to be able to deliver a device that is significantly better than our initial design. It will have increased durability, improved ergonomics, electrical reliability, a smaller footprint, and more features than that of our previous designs. Partway through the design process, one team member had to step away from the project due to extenuating circumstances. As he was our only team member with electrical engineering experience, the team needed to adjust our distribution of work and come up with an action plan to recover our team's technical range. This loss encouraged us to take our design to subject matter experts for advice and guidance. This was a true test of our team's adaptability and resolve, forcing us to think critically about the attainability of our design as someone with technical affinity but not expertise. Here, photos of the PCB design before and after the loss of our team member highlight some of the improvements that came from critical evaluation and subject matter expert consultation. We would like to thank our client, Mavis Irwin, the interpreters from the RIT Department of Access Services, our guide, Sarah Brownell, and our subject matter experts, Carlos Barrios, Kate Leipold, and Taylor Clough.